Let me reveal the secret on how I got 100k views from my first 10 shorts. If interested, listen carefully till the end, brothers and sisters. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a viral short video step by step, and it's easy. Here is the proof of my first clips and the views they received. Let's get started. My niche for shorts was heartwarming, wholesome videos. Now the question is how to make these videos and how to get ideas for them. Simple, just listen. First, we need to find our niche competitors and see what they are doing. Then, just check which videos performed well, had good views and lots of comments. Select one you like, then review the video's description. Often the owner's information is listed there. Then simply download them. If there is no information in the description, simply Google the content of the video and I'm sure you will find the original video. Then, download the video from your competitor, you will need it later. Next, you will need to transcribe the text from the competitor's video. I will use Adobe Premiere Pro, but there are a lot of free versions, just Google Transcriber. Then, copy the text and paste it into ChatGPT, asking ChatGPT to reword it into other simple but engaging words. Then, we will use 11 Labs for the voiceover. It's free and they give you 10,000 characters per account for free. Simply download the audio. Now it's time for editing. Let's go to Vid.io. Simply drag the original video to the timeline and add your voiceover. Now, let's cut the quiet spaces in the audio, so the audio will be more engaging. The main thing is to keep viewers engaged. You need to change the screen always in 2-3 seconds. Then cut the video every 2-3 seconds. Change the sizes of the split videos so that they appear to pulse. Add some arrows and elements that you want. Then, we absolutely need subtitles. These are crucial. Select your voiceover audio and click Generate Subtitles. You can edit these subtitles in any way you want. When you're done, just simply export the clip. Here is our final result. Before we proceed, please like this video and subscribe my channel. You are my motivation to create content like this.
The dog encountered snow for the first time and was utterly captivated by its enchantment, having never witnessed anything quite so magical. He remained seated, tail wagging, gazing skyward in awe at the phenomenon. Overflowing with excitement, he leapt joyfully, attempting to catch the snowflakes with his mouth.
Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.